This video will demonstrate the use of special tools, oil seal installer and bearing and oil seal handle. These special tools are used together to install the pulley side crankshaft oil seal on the timing chain cover. Using oil seal installer and handle. Before installing the oil seal on the timing chain cover, make sure that the oil seat is clean. Install the new oil seal firmly on the oil seal installer as shown. Now place the special tool along with oil seal on the oil seal seat on the timing chain cover. Install the bearing and oil seal handle on the oil seal installer as shown. Hammer the handle with the help of a mallet until the seal is installed in its place fully. Remove the special tools and inspect the seal for proper fitment. Advantage and benefit. This tool helps in easy and proper installation of pulley side crankshaft oil seal on the timing chain cover. This prevents damage to the seal and leakage of oil from seal.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.